Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run ad on Facebook and Instagram from scratch. This video is for these three categories of people. Number one, for business owners who are looking for more sales for their business. If you are looking for more customers, then this video is for you. Or you are a professional, you are looking for more clients, keep watching till the end because you are going to find out how you can get new customers on a daily basis, how you can get new clients on a daily basis. This video is also for job seekers, those who don't have anything doing now. I'm going to show you how you can run ad on Facebook, because if you don't have anything doing now, there are business owners who don't have time to run ad on Facebook. They are looking for experts who know how to run ad on Facebook to manage their ad for them. So if you are a job seeker and you don't have anything doing at the moment, you are not busy, you can utilize this opportunity to learn how to run ad on Facebook. So if you know how to run ad for them, it's an opportunity for you to earn a living from them. So let's go straight into the video we have today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page, because Facebook page is the first thing you need to do if you want to start running ad on Facebook. You need a Facebook page to be able to run advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to create your Facebook page. If you log into your Facebook account, as I'm logging now, you are going to click on the home page, and I'm sure you are using a laptop. This is for those that are using laptop or computer connected to the internet. Okay, so on the left hand side, you are going to see pages. If you have never created any page before, if you click on it, you will see that here will be empty. So you will see create here. Simply click on create, and here you can give your page a name. It could be your personal name, it could be the name of your company, could be the name of your business, whatever. Let's say the name of my company is Sonitext Nigeria Limited. Let's say that is the name of my company, and this category, let's say I'm into graphic design. You can see graphic designer here. I will fill it. Then I'm going to type the description of my business here. Whatever, you type the description of your business and you hit create. And the moment you hit create, it means your business page is created, your Facebook page is created. Then the next thing you will do is to fill all your necessary details, like your phone number, your email address, that your prospect will be able to contact you with. Make sure you fill all of them, your business address, your office address, fill everything. And once you have done that, your banner, you should upload your banner here. Then your logo can be here. If you don't have logo, your personal picture can be here. If you don't have a logo, your personal picture can be here, and you are set to start running ad. Okay, so I've shown you how to create your Facebook page. Now let's move to the next video.